7 things your diet must give you. First one is elimination. Your diet controls your elimination, and most people's elimination is completely inadequate. That makes you sick. Second is detoxification. Detoxification is an essential function that's all controlled by diet. Third is inflammation. Inflammation is what destroys every function inside of your body. Fourth is energy. Energy gives you the ability to be able to live and function in a healthy way. Fifth is healthy cell growth and repair. Body has to grow and repair new cells all the time. Fourth is healthy weight management. That's not a Barbie doll syndrome. That's healthy weight management. So that's realistic. And the fifth one is hormone balance. Your diet controls all of these. If you want to learn more, click the link below.